Hello, this is Robert from Beyond 20. Today we're in Cherwell version 9.5, taking a look at one of the new features where we're allowed to run OneSteps through trusted agents. Now, there's a security setting we're actually able to enable or disable for folks being able to create OneSteps to run through trusted agents. So if we want to lock this down, such as maybe for our IT service desk level 1, we'll log into the administrator, and under the security groups for IT Service Desk Level 1, we'll go to the Rights tab. And this right is going to be under OneSteps. And there's a new option listed here. Can configure OneSteps to run through a trusted agent. So if we need to disable this, if there's any kind of security reasons why this option is available to disable this, just decheck allow, and then save your changes. And now, when anyone logging in with that security group, they'll no longer be able to access the Trusted Agent tab when you're editing OneSteps. So if I'm going to call a web service, you see I have the option to use Trusted Agents. So they won't have the option for this anymore. So if you need to lock that down in your system, this is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Once again, this is Robert from Beyond 20. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for other Cherwell tips and tricks.